z is equal to 5 cis pi by 6. We want to find the following. And you can see that it's iz, I squared z, and I cubed z. Now, it's important to note that I is equal to cis pi by 2. 1 cis pi by 2. We don't normally write the 1. Just think about whereabouts I is. It would be here. And so the argument is pi by 2. So what we have here is cis pi by 2 being multiplied by 5 cis pi by 6. So we multiply the moduli and we're going to add the arguments. And so that is 5 cis. Now pi by 2 is 3 pi by 6. So that is 4 pi by 6 or 2 pi by 3. Now I squared is negative 1, which is here. So I squared is cis pi. So this is going to be cis pi multiplied by 5 cis pi by 6. So that's going to be 5 cis pi plus pi by 6. And pi, of course, is 6 pi by 6. So add pi by 6, that's 5 cis 7 pi by 6. And that falls outside of the interval negative pi to pi. 7 pi by 6 would be just here, where this angle is pi by 6. So we'd represent that as negative 5 pi by 6. So what we have here is 5 cis negative 5 pi by 6. And then we've got I cubed z. I cubed is, of course, negative I. It would be here. And so that would be cis negative pi by 2. So I think I have my diagram just off the top of the screen there. And so here it is. Down here, cis negative pi by 2. So we're going to have cis negative pi by 2 times 5 cis pi by 6, which is 5 cis. And that will be negative 3 pi by 6 add pi by 6, which is negative 2 pi by 6, which is negative pi by 3. Okay, so we want to put those on the polar grid below. So the first one is 5 cis 2 pi by 3. Now the rays here are, so this one is pi by 6, they're pi by 12s. So 2 pi by 3 would be on this ray here. So we've got 5 cis 2 pi by 3, it's there. So that one was IZ. Let's put the original one on there as well. So we had 5 cis pi by 6. So 5 cis pi by 6 would be just here. So that was the original Z. And then IZ we've put on. I squared Z is 5 cis negative 5 pi by 6. So that one is just here. So that one is I squared Z. And then the final one, 5 cis negative pi by 3. And that would be just here. So that one is I cubed Z. So what do we notice? Well, what we should notice is that there's 90 degrees between each of these. And so we can conclude that if you multiply by I, you rotate 90 degrees, or pi by 2 radians, in an anti-clockwise sense. So multiplying by I took me here, multiplying by I again here, I again would be here. And of course, I to the 4z, as we know, is just equal to z.